In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned marketplace user or just getting started, deleting a listing might seem like a daunting task, but I'm here to simplify it for you. Let's begin by accessing Facebook. Whether you're on your computer or using a mobile device, open your preferred browser or app and go to the Facebook homepage. It's important to make sure you're logged into your account so you can manage your listings efficiently. Once you're on Facebook, you need to head over to the Settings and Privacy section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your account preferences and settings. You'll typically find this option by clicking on the downward arrow in the upper right corner if you're using a desktop, or at the bottom of the navigation menu for mobile users. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to a page with various options, giving you access to control a variety of aspects of your account. It's a critical step in ensuring that you can make changes or deletions to your listings with ease. Once you're in the Settings section, look for Personal Details. This area is crucial as it holds your account's vital information and management options. By clicking here, you will be able to dig deeper into the specific settings concerning your marketplace activity. You'll then want to proceed to Account Ownership and Control. It's in this section where major changes to your account, including deletions, are managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. It offers significant controls over how your account is presented and managed. The next step is to click on Deactivation or Deletion. This might sound serious, but don't worry. We're not deleting your account, just a listing, and this area is key for managing and understanding your next steps. Once you've clicked through, you'll see an option to select your account. Make sure to choose the correct account if you manage multiple accounts. This ensures you're working with the right set of information and listings. The final step in this process is to click on Delete and Continue. Confirm that this is the listing you wish to remove and proceed with the deletion. It's important to review this step carefully, as deletion is usually permanent and cannot be undone once completed. And with that, you've successfully navigated through the steps to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and you feel more confident in managing your Facebook Marketplace listings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.